When it comes to productivity mouse, you won't go wrong with Logitech. I've been using this Logitech MX Master 2S for over 2 years now, and it's one of the best productivity mouse for both Windows and Mac OS. It's just that this mouse starts to wear off, especially the button. By the way, I got it second from a friend of mine, so it still works fine, and to be honest, I quite like this mouse. Since I'm not a gamer and I spend most of my time on video editing, so I was thinking of getting an Ergo mouse. My mind was to get the Logitech MX Verticals. Unfortunately, it's not available officially here in Malaysia, so I only left with the option of Logitech Lift. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Episode 79. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. In this video, we'll be checking out an ergonomic mouse from Logitech, the Logitech Lift. You must be thinking, why it looks so odd? Let's put this Logitech Lift and my MX Master 2S side by side. When we hold a general design mouse, we are actually twisting our wrist to operate it. Using it in this position for long hours, every day, could lead to carpal tunnel syndromes. Worst case, surgery is needed. Human natural wrist position is actually at a handshake angle, and here's where the Logitech Lift designs makes perfect sense. In this position, we can rest our hands comfortably while maneuvering the cursor. I would increase the cursor sensitivity to high so I don't need to move a lot to reach from one corner to another. The left and right click buttons are very silent compared to the MX Master 2S. The Smart Scroll wheel does horizontal as well as vertical scroll by press and hold the back or forward button. The DPI button can have two different sensitivity profiles or can be customized to different actions. All these buttons and scroll wheel are highly customizable through the Logi Option Plus software. You can also have different settings for different applications like the one that I use the most, Adobe Premiere Pro, browsers, and many more. Similar to the Logitech MX Master, it can pair up to 3 devices through Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connections. While it's convenient to connect via Bluetooth, having a solid connection with the dongle is a plus point. Besides that, the Logitech Lift even has a slot for the dongles underneath the magnetic cover. There's this one cool feature called Flow that allows seamless switch between 2 or 3 computers, be it Windows or Mac. Not sure what's the magic behind this, but all I know it makes transferring text, images, and files between effortlessly. It's not rechargeable, instead it uses a single double-A battery. Logitech claims it can last up to 2 years, which I can't articulate as I only use it for a couple of days now. It doesn't take long for me to get used to it, perhaps a day or two. What I miss the most from the MX Master are the hyper scroll and dedicated vertical scroll wheel. I wish the next MX vertical mouse would come with a dedicated vertical scroll wheels and importantly, made available here in Malaysia. Other than that, I find the mouse grip, shapes, and buttons are excellent, even for a big hands like mine. Matter of fact, I feel less strain on my wrist even after long hours of video editing. The Logitech Lift comes in 3 color options: graphite, off-white, and rose. If you are a lefty, don't worry, it also comes with a left-handed mouse, but it's limited in graphite color. For the price of Rm299 ringgit, I would say it's a great investment for those who work long hours in front of a PC. A few of my friends who are currently using a vertical mouse are no longer interested in switching back to a normal mouse. That's all from me on the Logitech Lift Ergo mouse. If you have any questions, to leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.